In today's digital world, cyber attacks happen almost every day. From massive data breaches to new malware threats, the cybersecurity landscape changes constantly. But here's the big question. Where do cybersecurity professionals get their news and threat intelligence? If you want to stay updated with the latest hacks, vulnerabilities, and cybercrime investigations, you need to follow the right cybersecurity news sources. So in this video, we'll explore the top 5 cybersecurity news sites that security professionals, researchers, and ethical hackers rely on to stay informed. Let's get started. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest changing industries in the world. New vulnerabilities, ransomware attacks, and hacking techniques appear almost every day. Whether you're a cybersecurity student, information technology professional, ethical hacker, or simply someone interested in digital security, staying updated with the latest news is extremely important. Fortunately, several cybersecurity news websites provide real-time updates, expert analysis, and detailed reports about cyber threats around the world. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 of the best cybersecurity news websites that you should definitely follow. Number 1. The Hacker News. One of the most popular cybersecurity news platforms in the world is the Hacker News. This website is widely known for publishing breaking cybersecurity news, vulnerability reports, and cyber attack updates. The Hacker News covers a wide range of topics including data breaches, malware attacks, zero-day vulnerabilities, cyber espionage, security tools, and research. What makes this platform special is the speed of its reporting. Whenever a major cyber attack or vulnerability is discovered, the Hacker News is often one of the first sites to report it. Because of this, many security professionals and ethical hackers visit this site daily to stay informed about emerging threats. Number 2. Bleeping Computer. Another highly respected cybersecurity news website is Bleeping Computer. Originally launched as a computer help and troubleshooting website, Bleeping Computer has grown into one of the most trusted sources for cybersecurity news and malware analysis. This site is especially known for its detailed coverage of ransomware attacks, malware outbreaks, software vulnerabilities, data breach investigations. Bleeping Computer also provides step-by-step security guides and technical explanations, which makes it very useful for beginners and information technology professionals alike. Its strong community forums also allow users to discuss cybersecurity issues and get technical help from experts. Number 3. Krebs on Security. If you're interested in deep investigations into cybercrime, then Krebs on Security is one of the best sites to follow. This website is run by investigative journalist Brian Krebs, who is well known for uncovering major cybercrime operations and large data breaches. Unlike many news sites that only report headlines, Krebs on Security focuses on detailed investigative reports about hackers, cybercriminal networks, and online fraud schemes. Over the years, the site has exposed numerous cybercrime groups and played an important role in raising awareness about cybersecurity threats. Because of its high-quality investigative journalism, Krebs on Security is widely respected in the cybersecurity community. Number 4. Dark Reading. Another major platform in the cybersecurity industry is Dark Reading. This website is designed primarily for cybersecurity professionals, information technology security teams, and enterprise organizations. Dark Reading publishes in-depth articles about topics such as threat intelligence, cloud security, application security, artificial intelligence in cybersecurity, enterprise cyber defense strategies. The site often features insights from security researchers, industry leaders, and cybersecurity experts, making it a valuable resource for anyone working in the field. If you want to understand advanced cybersecurity trends and industry developments, Dark Reading is definitely a site worth following. Number 5. Security Week. The final site on our list is Security Week, another leading cybersecurity news platform. Security Week focuses on global cybersecurity news, security research, and industry developments. The platform regularly covers advanced persistent threat groups, cyber warfare and nation-state attacks, vulnerability research, security technologies, and innovations. Security Week also features interviews with cybersecurity experts and analysis of emerging threats, helping readers understand how cyber attacks are evolving around the world. Because of its professional reporting and expert insights, Security Week is considered one of the most reliable cybersecurity news sources online. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving battlefield, and staying informed is one of the most important ways to stay protected. By following trusted cybersecurity news sites like The Hacker News, Bleeping Computer, Krebs on Security, Dark Reading, and Security Week, you can keep up with the latest cyber threats, vulnerabilities, and security trends happening around the world. These platforms provide valuable insights that help cybersecurity professionals, students, and technology enthusiasts stay one step ahead of cyber criminals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about cybersecurity, cyber attacks, and digital security trends, make sure to subscribe to Adaptivids and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. And let us know in the comments, which cybersecurity news site do you follow the most? Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.